I guess I should say mouth off the finger.
I'm doing a little video.
How much do you sneeze? Yes, what?
No!
Huh?